it's Erin. Today I'm going to do a quick demo and honest review of this software. It's called Dokey. Save time, write powerful SEO content. So this is SEO optimization for content you're writing articles. With the Dokey, you can do competitive analysis, keyword research, content structure, suggested synonyms, relevant questions, and much more. Now let's jump into the Dokey to show you exactly what that means. When it's the first time to log into the Dokey software, you will see a demo, and I created one already about a few days ago. You will find the title right here, title, and this is the keyword. When you click on the planning, you can set up the due date. If you're working with your team member, you can sign to your team member. This is score, and when you have created, 3 dots to delete. When you go to important pages, you can go ahead and click your import pages, and you can connect with your Google Search Console and choose your website. I have about 500 something pages on my website, but it shows only 87 results. I don't know why they have only 87 results. The first one here on the top, it's my title. This is the keyword, priority. I have a position 70 on Google, and this is a click, and also I have an impression 1000. Let's go back to the project. There is new project button on the top right. Go ahead and click it. And this is where you can add your keyword. Content title, publishing website, location, your website's text, planning, and how many projects you can create. This is Ahrefs' free tool. This is where you can find inside of the footer, there's a keyword generator. So you can go ahead and click it. And this is where you can add your keyword. Cute photos is the one I just found it. And then hit find keywords. And it will show me some of the suggestions. The first one, cute photos, keyword difficulty is only 15 or so. The search volume is 16K. I'm going to stick with this keyword. I'm going to copy that. Now I need a content title. So to find the content title, I can go to the ChatGPT. I'm going to use one of the free Chrome extensions. It's called AIPRM. This is a free Chrome extension. You can install it and use it right away. When you install this Chrome extension, you can scroll a little bit. There is a keyword strategy. Go ahead and click that. And I want to copy and paste my keyword and hit enter. There's a keyword. Here's a title. We have meta description here. So I'm going to choose one of them, adorable baby photos that will melt your heart. I think this is one I'm going to use, but this is my main keyword, which is I am going to add this keyword inside of the title and also inside of the meta description. I'm going to copy these title and meta description and paste. Let's go back to the Dokey. I'm going to copy and paste the content title. Publishing website is going to be my website. The location is the United States. The tag is going to be the blog. And I'm going to hit analyze. You'll see the notification. It shows that one new project will be created. So I'm going to say, okay. Now it's analyzing. So back to home page. It will take about a few seconds to pull out all the data, but now it's already analyzed it. Now inside of this page, we can find the Google results page. The rank number 1 is the Pixabay, and we can see the authority. We have a score here. When we click on the see more results, number 2 on Google is the Pinterest, the Pixels. We have a Shutterstock. We have iStock photos. So all these websites on the top on the Google authority is about really higher, 98, 86, 100. Okay, it shows that my keyword is not good enough to rank higher than these websites because of the authority. Even though the score is lower, very hard to beat these websites, giant and bigger websites. So I'm not going to find another keyword, but in this demo video, I will just use this keyword. This result shows that until 29 on Google, but I can see still this one, 29, 85. That's authority number 85. That's pretty sad. Under the Google results, we can see competitors' headers. The first one is the Pixabay. It shows only header 1. Pinterest, of course, header 2 and 1. Let me take a look at just the blog pages if I can find one. Because I'm using the cute photos, this keyword here. That's why it shows only the stock photo websites. So it doesn't have a lot of headers 1 and 2. It's not like blog pages websites. So that's why it doesn't have a lot of information. But if you choose the right keyword, then you're going to have plenty of header 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. So the idea of this using computers' headers, you can find the other websites, what they used for their headers. So you can go ahead and click if you want to use that header. Then you can immediately to see and edit this header to your content. That was a header 1. And if I want to use this one as my header 2, as you can see, I have edited that. I will add another one. There you go. If you want to change to header 1 or 2, you can just switch around, header 3, and we can see relevant questions. If you want to use all these 4, you can definitely do that by clicking the button. As you can see, I have added all these 4 questions. You can add new header by clicking add a header. And I will say FAQ, and I will drag up here, and then I'm going to change this to header 3. On the right side, you can see the main keyword. See details will show you meta title is 100, meta description 0, of course, because I didn't edit yet. I'm going to add the meta description that I've copied from the ChatGPT, and the text length for your article should be greater than 1040 words. It's not a lot, right? Like 1040 words, you can just use your ChatGPT or any other AI tools to write really faster. All this data are the average from the Google results, all these websites. Now let's go to the writing section. This is where you can see all your headers you have added. Text structure shows all these headers you have added. You can, of course, add more headers in here, or you can go back to the structure and add your text structure right here in this section as well. You can enter and you can write your contents, you can change your headers, 4, 5, 6, bolded or italic, bullet points, adding your image. On the right side, under the keyword, you can see all these keywords you need to edit inside of your article. So the first was photo. When you click it, you can see the photos. This word has been highlighted. The advanced data shows the graph about your keyword used. If you want to import your content from your website, you can go ahead and click this import a content. Once you're done writing everything here, you can go to the publication. You can copy text or HTML. Publication URL, that means is that you can track the performance, not publishing your contents to your websites. If you have your own team, you can go to the setting. This is where you can add your team here by clicking create a team. General, this is a language you can choose, and time zone. You can change a password. You can link your Google account by clicking link a Google account right here. Under the sites page, customization page, it shows that the color is a to-do, in progress, and done. You can add a status if you want to. Subscription, I have purchased the code. This is one I'm using right now. If you want to change to another subscription, you can definitely do from inside of this page. You can see their reviews are pretty good, 4.8 out of 5. And this review page also shows that all 5 stars or taco. People love it. Hopefully my video understands about Dokey. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel not to miss any other deals.